What's up, YouTube? It's Olivia Nita, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Y'all, I love my hair, y'all. This is super cute. I always wanted to do a swoop ponytail, and I finally did it. And it's super cute. Like, I haven't did my makeup with it, but I know once I do her makeup, it's gonna pop. No, but I can't wait to do my makeup just to do a little look. But I just got my hair done like 2 days ago. I'm finna unbox these clothes. Actually, that's what we're about to do. So this is the box that it comes in. But now it comes in this big old bag. I said big old bag, this big old box. And it tells me everything that I have. So this one, let me see. This is a baby girl sweater. So it's a yellow baby girl sweater. I got this in the size large. And y'all know winter coming, so. Actually, oh no, it's a hoodie. So, that's what it looked like. I think this was like an oversized hoodie if I'm not mistaken, but it might fit like that, but it's a size large. Y'all, sometimes I could get my Shein clothes in a medium. So like, I could have got this in a medium and it still would have fit. But a little oversized hoodie, that's going to be cute. Like, you know, I could do something with it. And it's thick too, y'all. It's thick. It's thick. Thick. It's thick. This some thick cotton. Like, this is a hoodie for real. This some thick cotton right here. Y'all, I need some winter clothes. I ain't got none. What's this? I don't know what this is, but it's a large. It's a large. Let me see. It's a long sleeve t-shirt. Oh yeah, this shirt was cute when I seen it. But it's a crop top, so I gotta wear it like before it get too cold. Otherwise, or I could wear some high-waisted jeans and this long sleeve t-shirt with like a cute jacket, jean jacket. But this is cute, and this is some good material too. And it's and it got some stretch to it, baby. Okay, a little stretch. It is cute. And it say, beautiful, my wonderful life. How are you, sunshine? How are you? 2021, y'all. That's what, hey, this Shein. Okay, this the Shein brand. Yeah, I sleep though, because, baby, take these Shein clothes, make them look like what? For real. I'm going to definitely do a try on haul, y'all. Because it's a lot. This, I think this was a sweater or this was another, but let's see. Oh yeah, it's a sweatshirt. And I got it in a size large. And it's a My Social Battery. Oh no, yeah, it's a sweatshirt, crop top sweatshirt, yeah. It's a My Social Battery. 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. But when too many people around, we gotta go. No, I'm just playing. But I just like this shirt because it was just like really cute. And I love black t-shirts, y'all. I love black t-shirts. And this is gonna be cute. I don't know, I'm gonna try to find, or if I could find like these colored like pins or something, that'd be cute. Or something, we gonna see, we gonna do. What you doing in that restroom? Get out the restroom. This was a dress, y'all. This was cute. Ooh. 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 You feel that material? Baby, hold on. Baby, this that good material. Let me see what size this is. Okay, I got it in a large. Oh, this is cute, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. It got the little slit. Oh, y'all, this would be real cute. Like, you like that, baby? You like that? Oh, I can't wait to try this on. It looked like a little too big, but I hope it's just like the perfect little size, please, because it's large and it's my size. Let's see. I think this was another sweater or sweatshirt. And this, I got this in a size large. And it's a Lovers. Oh, it's another like crop top sweatshirt. Yes. 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 Get your... Hey, get out, move. And y'all, they material on their clothes be really good. And it's got a little stretch to it too. Damn. Oh, y'all, this shirt right here, this was like an oversized sweat t-shirt. I think this is it. I got this in a size medium though, because it was like real big. And I ain't want it to be like, dang. Focus! Focus! And it say season 12. I don't even, bro, one thing about Shein, I don't know what they be having on their clothes, but they be cute. But this what it look like, y'all. It's like an oversized shirt, y'all. And it's real. It ain't thick, but it got like that, it's like that sweater material. So if you put like an undershirt on under here and then you put your shirt on, it'll be good. Or even if you wear it by yourself, it'll be good. And this right here, this is a dress. This is like gonna be like a summer dress stuff for next year. But it was on sale and it was cute, so I got it for next year. And it's like a wrap around here, wrap around your neck, and like this here, baby. And it's that material. And it's like that it's kind of like that dry fit material. I really don't like that shit, cause I bitch be sweating. But it's cute. It's cute. I definitely wear it for a cover up, pool party, period. Like, it's cute. Y'all, I don't like pink, but this was cute. And I like love this material. And it's the material that I thought it was. Yes. This gonna keep me real cool. This would be real cute with some light jeans. Booyah! This is cute. And it say, love ya. Period. And it got the little collar. Yeah, this is cute. I'm gonna be warm in that. Oh, God, I'm trying to hurry up. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay, yeah, I'm almost done. And this was a jean jacket. Y'all, this jean jacket was like $10 on Shein. Y'all sleep. Like, hold on. I'm gonna try this on right now for y'all. Cause this one I've been waiting for. Look, and I also got this shirt from Shein too, y'all. In a size large. And I wanted it because it was $10. And y'all know how jean jackets be high. Like, you can find you a good jean jacket for like $20 for girls. But like, if you try to get like a cute, damn, it's kind of too big. If you try to get like a cute one though, like, you're gonna be paying like $30, $40 for a jean jacket. We all know that. So I got this, but you know, it's a little bit too big. Actually, you know what? It's the perfect size. Like, if I dress this motherfucker up good, like, it's gonna be the perfect size. And I got it in a large too, so I'm almost done, y'all. I got 2 more things. This was like a cute little jacket. I got this in a large. I thought this jacket was so cute. Like, I'm gonna dress this jacket up so cute. Like, it got a lot going on, but this jacket was cute when I seen it, y'all. I know people, when my family and shit, my friends see this, I'm like, girl, what the fuck on? But this is cute, y'all. And this is another dress that I got. It was cute. I'm tired. I just ran up them stairs. Had to run downstairs to take him outside. I could definitely still wear this though before it get too cold. Damn, wait. He wanna play. Before it get too cold, put a jacket over it. But yes, and this material that feel good. Like, that material gonna feel good, and they gonna be just rubbing your ass. It's that material. That soft material. Yeah, he gonna like this. But yes, y'all, look, that was my unboxing. I'm definitely gonna do a try on haul so y'all can see these clothes on, so y'all can see how they fit. So if y'all wanted to buy them, she got on my nerve. Okay, y'all, my camera died, but I'm back. But that was just the end of the video, the unboxing video. That was the end of the unboxing video, y'all. Make sure y'all stay tuned for the try-on haul. Y'all let me know if y'all want my, well, you know, we can actually do both of them, but they be BSing, y'all. They be BSing. But
make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that
bell, bell, ring my bell. But it's either gonna be my mom or my sister, whichever one I could get first, like, to rate my outfits while I try them on too. But yeah, what you think?
I did a good job. That's what I think.
What the hell was that? Did you just fart?
He said,
why she make, yeah, bro, your mom been making noise all day. Where my dog at? Yeah, I'm finna go to bed. I'm tired. But yeah, this is the end of the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we out here. We out here.